Welcome to my laundry room. Today we are going to talk about how I prep hemp inserts. I take a simple, kind of lazy approach to prepping hemp cloth diaper inserts. I take this approach actually with all cloth diapers that I'm prepping. This doesn't just apply to hemp. This also applies to bamboo inserts. This also applies, I guess it could apply to microfiber and cotton. So all I do is I add it to my washing machine load. So today I did my cloth diaper laundry yesterday. I'm going to just wash it with my regular clothes. That's right, with my regular clothes. Because I use a mainstream detergent that I feel is very capable of doing what it does, I trust my washing machine. I just wash it with my regular clothes. There's no need to do a special wash. There's no need to stress out about it. Just wash it like you normally do. This is today's load of laundry. I have added my Grovia pre-folds. So these are cotton bamboo. I've got some, I don't really have any laundry scents, guys. And then I'm gonna be washing my hemp baby products. So I'm just tossing these in for a wash. Basically, even cold water with a good detergent and enough agitation will be able to remove and work on removing those oils. I use Tide for all of my cloth diaper laundry. I know that Tide is not the best choice environmentally, but it works for me and I'm too scared to try something else. So I'm just gonna add a scoop of Tide like I'm washing just a regular load of laundry. I am going to wash this load on warm instead of cold like I normally wash, because I think that the warm water will help kick out some of those oils a touch better. Welcome back to my dark and dreary laundry room. So, load of laundry is done with the hemp inserts. If you had another load of laundry, I would just wash them again. I personally really do prefer getting them in the dryer between each wash cycle. I find it helps them just shrink up a little bit better and kind of fully do their thing. But really, contested issue, do make sure you get them in the dryer a couple times during your prepping cycle. It really does help. I'm gonna go do an absorbency test to see what one wash did, and then we'll keep washing. Normally people don't do absorbency tests. It's just because I'm a vlogger with a passion for science. We are prepping the hemp babies. So I told you I did one wash already, and now I just did a second wash. So I threw them in with my cloth diapers this week because I was doing a cloth diaper load. Honestly, I'm gonna say this so many times during this video, because just keep it simple and just prep your cloth diapers in whatever load of laundry is coming up next. Yes, your diaper laundry is gonna be the most efficient, but it's a lot of work. It can be a lot of work for diapers that are full of natural oils that haven't been bleached. It can be a lot of work. So they are in with my cloth diaper laundry. I did a pre-wash last night. I'm gonna do the main wash now. We'll toss them in the dryer, and then I'll take you back upstairs and we'll do some absorbency testing to see how they've done after 3 washes. We are back upstairs and I have my pile of hemp baby products here. These have just come out of the wash for the 3rd time. I'm in my pajamas because YouTube should look nice, but sometimes you should just know I'm a real person. I'm gonna put on a blankie because, like every normal person, I get cold. And after 3 washes, these are definitely holding liquids. I would feel very comfortable recommending suggesting 3 washes. And if you follow along for this video, 3 washes wasn't very much. I had 1 regular laundry wash, and then I had 1 diaper laundry wash. And that counts as 3 washes because you have your pre-wash, and then you have your full wash. So these have been washed 3 times. The flat is holding like 10 ounces of liquid already. The large doubler is holding like 16 ounces. So pretty comfortable result numbers. This is just the case for these hemp products because I'm not seeing any difference in absorbency between the first wash and the third wash. But what I am seeing is a difference in how it behaves in the water. And I apologize for not really zooming in and doing that enough. If it's not working, or if you're worried like, Bailey, is it prepped enough? Like, just first of all, get it in your hands and feel it. Does it feel soft? Well, these are really rough actually. This is not an example, but they don't feel sticky or tacky. They've lost a lot of their like really stiffness. A really simple way that you could do it is you get it in a bowl of water and you put it in water, and if it sinks, it's good. If it floats, you're not good. So floaters are bad, and hemp, well actually any textile should really immediately start to sink down into the bowl. And if it doesn't, then you got a problem. So I hope you enjoyed that. I wish you all the best on prepping your hemp inserts. I really want you to know that it's not stressful. This is one way that I suggest to prep most hemp inserts. It might not apply to all hemp inserts, but I hope it helps you get the ball going and knowing that it is easy and you can just do it in your regular laundry. Honestly, the absorbency numbers that I've written down here, first wash in warm water with my regular clothes, are near identical to 2 washes later in my dirty diaper laundry. The variance here is not nearly enough to make any statements that it has to be cold or it has to be hot or it has to be warm. You just need to wash it with detergent, agitation, a rinse cycle. Just wash it. If you'd love to see more wash advice, more cloth diaper reviews, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I do absorbency testing every Sunday and reviews throughout the week. Stay posted for this Anna baby hemp because it's being a bugger.